Well, hello again. William Chambers here. It's going to be a two-part video. The first part's going to be an update on this 30 that I bought last spring. Now, if you watch the video, you know that engine was seized when I bought it, which was my first mistake. If you look closely, that is the sleeve and the piston. So that's not coming out of there. At least I'll fall on the floor, I would. And I haven't been able to get these three loosened up either. And I thought they looked pretty good, but so far no luck at all. And like I've mentioned in past videos, these tractors of this vintage are not worth putting a lot of money into unless they're rare. And being a Cockshutt 30, this is not rare. So it got kind of put on the back burner. I haven't done anything to it since. Well, I did get a sleeve and a piston for it, but the sleeve is undersized, so I have to take it to a machine shop and get it bored out in order for it to work, which again runs into money. Those machine shops aren't cheap, and with good reason, because it all takes time and skill to make it work. So I was on the internet Friday night, the good old interweb, and up here in Canada we have Kijiji, which is pretty much the same as eBay Classifieds or Craigslist or whatever you want to call it. So I was on Kijiji and wasn't really looking for anything in particular. You gonna come with me, cat? Look out. But I came across a guy selling an engine for a Cockshutt 30. So I thought, oh great, it was 265 bucks I think he wanted for it. But not only did I get an engine, he gave me the belly, and this is the gearbox for the pulley or your PTO, whichever you have. Still loose, still turns over. And this one has a hydraulic pump on it, which I thought was a cat's ass. That way if I ever wanted to, well, provided it didn't get water in it. If it did, well, that's pretty much euchred, but I'm hoping that still work, because it'd be kind of nice to put hydraulics on it. But not only did I get the engine here, I got a starter. This is for another tractor. Got a fuel tank, which are hard to find in fairly good shape. Air cleaner. And I got a radiator there for 265 bucks. So I probably got about 200 and, oh geez, no, I got about 250 into that tractor already, besides what I paid for it. But by the time I rebuild the engine, new gaskets, valve seals, all that, and I might have to do that to this engine eventually, but I don't really want to if I don't have to. But gasket kit's a few $100. By the time I get the pistons loosened up, and Lord knows what all is wrong with it. So I was just gonna, we were gonna part that tractor out, but I think I'm gonna get it running, because I hate to see those old tractors go to the wrecking yard. So yeah, that's that. That's the update on that 30. I don't know when I'll get around to it. You know, planting season's upon us. We're not on the land yet, but I know a lot of people that are. Mostly manure around here. Ground's too cold to plant any corn yet. Now I'm going to show you the second part of this video. I received a letter in the mail the other day from the great state of Iowa. I'm not going to flip it over and give the guy's identity away, because I don't need all kinds of women showing up at his house and bugging him. I don't think his wife would appreciate that. But he did a video, oh geez, a few weeks ago, changing a AC welder to DC. At the end of that video, he puts a sticker on his welder, which was his logo for his YouTube channel. And I was teasing him, as a bunch of other guys teasing him, that he should send us stickers. Well, he gave me his email address, so I gave him my address, and lo and behold, here we go. Burning Dinosaurs. Check him out on YouTube. As you can tell by the sticker, he's a die-hard Oliver guy. Currently restoring a 1855 turbocharged tractor. Well, he's had a bunch of issues with it, but he's getting her close to paint. He's also done an 1800A probably a year or two ago. And yeah, he just loves these old 4-digit Oliver tractors. Does a bunch of other stuff, welding, fabricating, you name it, he does it. He's also into the helping the township out, you know, grading the roads and whatnot. I don't want to get him in trouble or anything, but yeah, if you want to check out his channel, you know, maybe it's worth checking out. Just a great guy, just the kind of guy you want to have as your neighbor. But yeah, these are really cool stickers. I'm going to put one on my toolbox. Burning Dinosaurs. That's pretty awesome. There you have it. My toolbox will be worth a fortune now. Thanks for watching.